How to convert ODT to and from other formats in Doxillion. In Doxillion, add your files, select ODT as the output format, then click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert to and from ODT with Doxillion. An ODT file, or OpenDocument Text, is a standard word processing format, similar to DOCX, used for editable documents. Start by adding your files to Doxillion. You can drag and drop them into the program window, or click the Add Files button to browse and select documents manually. Select the files you want to convert by clicking them individually, holding Ctrl to select multiple files, or using Select All to highlight everything in the list. Next, open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose your output format. To convert documents into ODT, select ODT. To convert ODT files into other formats, add your ODT files first, then choose formats like PDF, DOCX, TXT, or others from the same menu. Click Set Output Folder to choose where your converted files will be saved. When ready, click Convert to start the batch conversion process. After conversion, click Open Output Folder to quickly access your converted files. For more Doxillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.